guys, so I was going to go ahead and install the 4-piston oil pump, but not the complete kit was sent to me, so I'm going to hold off on installing that. If you didn't see the unboxing video of that, go watch it. Luke from 4-piston sent me a treat in there and I was dying. Man, I was just messaging them on Facebook and they were laughing about it. So that was well played. That was funny. But next off, I would like to thank Racer's Edge for cleaning up the head. You guys remember it was super gunky under there. It was terrible. It didn't get an oil change very often, or I don't know, but it was pretty bad. It's pretty nasty. So thank you guys to Racer's Edge. I'll flip it in a minute. And Elite Powder Works in Tucson, Arizona. Those guys powder coated the head for me. So, oh fuck, I just hit it. That's right, didn't do nothing. But yeah, there it is. Nicely powder coated. I highly recommend them. And yeah, the head is much cleaner. I got the I can't flip it with one hand. Let me see. Got it all cleaned up. There it is. So it's ready to go on, and I think the next video will be installing the head. I think I'm gonna go ahead and probably put it on. I'm borrowing my friend's expensive torque wrench, and I gotta get that back to him. Today is December 6th. Lots of videos I'm doing today, guys, so it's gonna take me a little while to get these all uploaded. But like I said, go watch that unboxing video. Luke, if you were the one that put that in there, holy crap. Well played. That's all I gotta say. But for now, I at least want to torque down the head while I have that tool. And then before I finish putting all that together and the timing guides, all the new timing guides I got from Jeff from Revline, I got to do the oil pump first. It's just missing the guides and stuff. They forgot to send me that. So it's been a few months. I just finally got to unboxing that video, and then I realized that was missing. But that's okay. I spoke to them. They're going to take care of me. But yep. At least torque down the head. Show you guys that in the next video. Again, thanks to Racer's Edge and Elite Powder Works. Both came out great. I love it. Both local to Tucson, Arizona. If you're in Tucson, go support them. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share the video. My Mastiff.